Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video on the Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division. Now this may look familiar because it is a dupe of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, but a small fraction of the price. This baby is £4 and the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette is $43. Yes. As you probably know, Makeup Revolution is known for duping higher end brands. They do a lot of like Too Faced sort of stuff. They've obviously got these, a lot of the Naked palettes, and this is the first time I've used them in about 2 years and I'm so impressed with this palette. It's so pigmented. Yes, you have to sort of go in with it quite a lot, like dip your brush into it, but you know, for £4 you can't really complain. So the differences between both the palettes, the Subculture has 14 shades and the Makeup Revolution palette has 15. They have added a black in this palette in the bottom, which I really quite like because, you know, a black's always needed, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette doesn't have that, so an added bonus if you want this one. It's such a great palette. I created this look, so if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. We are going to first go in with this Spectrum blending brush. It doesn't have a number or a name, so it's just a blending brush. I'm going to go in with these two, this brown and this orangey shade here. Guys, this palette is actually so pigmented. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but I've had Makeup Revolution palettes in the past. I think I've got the Naked 3 palette dupe, and the colours were just, it wasn't working for me. So I'm so happy that this palette actually has some pigmentation. So this colour, that's my mirror. These two colours aren't as like vibrant orange as I want. So I'm just actually going to go in with the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just going to use this orange shade here just to give it a bit more depth. I'm just going to drag it out as well. Oh, I also used this shade for my brow highlight. In the Subculture palette, obviously there's the white shade, but it's got specks of pink in it, like pink glitter, and it's so pretty. So now that's done, we're going to go in and cut the crease. I am going to be using my trusty eBay brush for this. It's like a flat concealer brush. I also use it to carve my brows out, so I think this is just perfect. And I'm just going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium. And I also primed my eyelids with the new Makeup Revolution concealer, which I've been loving. If you've seen in my past video, I literally love this. This is my new concealer, but I'm just using the Tarte Shape Tape one to carve out my cut crease because it's a lighter shade, so it makes the colour pop even more, as you can see on this eye. So yeah, that's the only reason I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm not really going all the way across the eye. I'm sort of going like halfway, 3/4 across, because we're going to blend it into a different shade in a minute. Guys, my posture is so bad. I literally sit like this while I do my makeup. I need to be poised, you know. Now that's done, I'm not going to set it because the colour that I'm going to go over it will just make it pop more if I don't set the concealer. So I'm going to go straight in. I've been so excited to use this colour. It literally exceeded my expectations so much. I am in love with it. So I'm going to be taking flat shader brush from a pack from eBay as well. Don't kill me when they don't have any names. And I'm just going to spray it with my Morphe setting mist. And then I'm going to go in with this beautiful shade right here. It is incredible. I honestly was like blown away. I wasn't expecting it to be this pigmented, but oh my gosh, I'm just coating my brush in it. It's kind of like a foiled shadow. I think it would work so well if you used your finger, but I can't be bothered, so. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush and I'm going to go in with this dark, like forest greeny colour, and then a bit of the black just to make it a bit darker, and I'm going to use that on my outer lid place. Like, again, you don't expect it to be so pigmented and so like vibrant in colour, but it really is, and I'm so impressed. Okay, then I'm just gonna take this Morphe Real Techniques base shadow brush and just sort of go in so there's no harsh lines. And I'm gonna just take the two shades that I took before just to blend out those lines, just in case there are any. Okay, so I just went in with a makeup wipe just to clear up all the fallout, which there barely was any, and I just cleared up the eye line. So now I'm going to go in with moisturizer before I prime. I'm going to go in with the Benefit Moisturize Triple Performing Facial Emulsion. This is SPF 15 and it's also oil free. I get quite oily in my T-zone, so for me this is quite perfect. Yeah, I used to use this as a primer and I really liked it because it just leaves your face feeling really nice and it smells gorgeous. And it almost leaves a bit of a tacky feeling, and also that will help the foundation stay on your skin. And then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Hangover X Replenishing Face Primer. This has coconut water, probiotic based ingredients and skin revivers, and it's silicone free. So I'm just going to apply this to my face. So I'm going to just use my MAC 187 stippling brush just to blend that out. Last time I used the Zoeva one, which is a lot stiffer, and I quite like that feeling, but this one's so much lighter and fluffier, and I feel like it just blends out a bit better. I don't know why, but enjoy it. Okay, and we're just gonna let that sink into the skin so then my foundation will stay on all day. Today I'm going to use the NARS, the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. This is my favourite foundation, so I'm just gonna apply this all over my face and then blend it in with my Zoeva 104 buffer brush. And now my foundation is all blended, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and my Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm just going to mix the two because this is too dark for me at the moment and this is too light. So together they make the perfect colour. All the way under my eyes, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it out. And I'm just going to take the excess down my nose and on my chin, and then I'm going to go in with the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm going to take that on my Sigma Tapered Highlight F35 brush. And I'm gonna take whatever's left on the brush and just dust it over my cheeks so my bronzer doesn't stick to it. I've just dusted off all the bake. Let's bronze the skin. So I'm gonna go in with my tried and true. Yes, I'm gonna go in with these two, mix them together. Sorry, I'm just clearing up underneath my bronzer. So I actually forgot to go in under my eyes, so we're going to... I can't open this. Okay, we're going in with the same two colours that I used in my crease, just underneath the eye to smoke a sister up. I'm just going to go in with the darker brown just to darken it up. So I'm going to go in with this brush that I got from eBay. It's really like, I don't know, it's smaller and I feel like it's quite good for the under eyes because it's not as big as like a small blending brush, but then it also, I don't know, but I'm going to go in with the dark green and the black just to darken the under eye, but not too much. I'm going to try and go quite close to the lash line so it's not too dark. So now that's done, I'm going to apply my lashes. Of course, I'm going to go in with my Lash Wild lashes in the style Florence. She does so many lashes, and I have a pack of like natural looking lashes. I think they were about £3, maybe 4, and they're a pack of 5, and they're literally an exact dupe for the Ardell Wispies. So I will leave a link for them down below, because you get a pack of 5 for like £4, whereas Wispies are like £4 for 1. So, you know, bargain. So I'm just going to apply these off camera. Now I've done my lashes, I am going to go in with highlight. I'm going to be mixing Glow Getter and Daydream. I'm actually going to take the Zoeva 223 Petite Eye Blender brush, and I'm going to take the pinky white shade and put it in my inner corners. I'm actually just going to spray so it's a bit more pigmented. I think because it's quite a bold look, I'm just going to go for a nude lip. So I'm going to go in with my Colourpop Lippy Pencil in BFF2 and my matte MAC lipstick in the shade Taupe. So I thought I'd just zoom you in so you can see the final look. This is what I came up with. I really love the way it turned out. I think it's got such a nice range of colours, and I really want to experiment with this, so maybe I'll do some more videos with looks for this palette, because I really want to use this purple shade, that shade and this shade, and maybe do a look with that. So maybe you'll see that up sometime soon. Yeah, I'm really happy with how the look turned out. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps my channel. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.